Hi, I'm Greg Eastman, Technical Service Manager here at Western Technology, and I'm here to introduce another remarkable explosion-proof, kick-it-tough LED-based work light. Striker is designed to provide the ultimate safety and performance. It's a real working man's light. It's a light to be trusted, a light to be used as a tool. Striker has instant on, and it's a big, clean, clear illumination with a directional beam capable of throwing approximately 150 feet. Great for an inspection light. The diffuser is really made to send the light out in a room to use it more like a drop cord than a work light. Now we can go to a handheld light, so it's great, the directional beam, for grit blasting, for inspection of coal chutes and other dirty jobs. And with our auxiliary lens in front, we keep the primary lens, the window, protected. So we can use on a blast hose, and we have another clamp to clamp it on, so it becomes hose mounted. Then for those jobs that need paint, we have a simple bag to help keep the light clean in a paint environment. I said Striker was tough, built for demanding and difficult workspaces, built for the real world. Instant off. Call for additional details, even referrals.